Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all, it's Friday night cake of the week. Friday night cake of the week, and I got a cake here. One of my neighbors, they gave me this recipe from their grandmother had or whatever. I told her I'm gonna try it out. Something very distinctive about this pound cake. There's no milk in it. There's no baking powder, no baking soda, and no leavening agent, no milk. This is gonna be a very interesting cake, but it's one of my favorites. It's cream cheese lemon pound cake, or lemon cream cheese pound cake. Probably cream cheese is more cream cheese than lemon in it, so I guess that's the dominant thing in the cake. It's cream cheese lemon pound cake. That's what it is. It only has 5 or 6 ingredients in there. It's got butter. It's got butter, cream cheese, eggs, flour, sugar, and the flavor. That's it. 5, 6 ingredients. Like I said, there's no milk in this, no leavening agent, and it's gonna be interesting how this come out. Never made a cake completely like this with no leavening agent and no milk in it. But anyway, let's get this party started. Okay, according to the recipe, of course, like every cake y'all know I make here, you have the butter, cream cheese at room temperature. We're gonna cream these together a little bit. Then we're gonna add the sugar to this. Got 4 ounces of cream cheese, cup and a half of butter, which is 3/6 of butter if you're playing long and hard, cup and a half, which is 12 ounces. We're gonna cream this together for about 5 minutes. Come back, we're gonna add the sugar to that, cream it another 5, 6 minutes. Then we're gonna add the eggs slowly, like every cake. I'm gonna put my, and then dump my flour in there. That's it, y'all. This is a simple cake, but I'm curious how it's gonna rise and all that. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. All right, y'all, we're gonna add the sugar to this. Throw the sugar in there. We're gonna cream the sugar, butter, and cream cheese together. Y'all know that's good by itself right there, huh? So I'm gonna cream that together about 6, 7 minutes. We'll be back, then add the eggs. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. We are back here. All right, we're gonna add our eggs kind of one at a time here. Y'all, we're gonna scrape this down here. You already know that. Scrape the bowl down. Make sure you get all that goodness off the bottom. Okay. Now I'm gonna add my flavors to this. Got lemon extract. Y'all know I love you, my butternut flavoring, and my creme brulee. This is what makes the cake so moist right here. Okay. See, that's mixed up. Now, as it say, we're gonna add the flour. Last thing. There's no alternating the flour or nothing. So I'm gonna add a little at a time. We don't get a base full of flour. A little bit more. The rest in there. Here we go. That's it, y'all. Y'all know me already. I like to mix the rest by hand. That way I don't have a tough cake. Just in here, get all this off the beaters first. All right. Now, what I do, y'all, like I say, I just mix the rest by hand. That way you're assured that you don't have a tough cake. And I know the cream cheese is what's giving it the milk part, y'all, but it's just weird. No milk, no leavening agent. And I know what's gonna make it rise is the whipping of the butter and the cream cheese together. What's gonna make it rise? But just to let y'all know, y'all do know that. Okay, now got my grease pan here, y'all. Oven setting at 325 degrees. Get it all in here, y'all, without making a mess, huh? Get it all in here without making a mess. Okay. Alrighty, hold on just a second. I get all this out of here. Okay, y'all. Like I say, 325 degrees, about 70 minutes, they say. So I'm definitely gonna check it after an hour and see what it's looking like. But 60 to 70 minutes, 325 degrees. And we'll be back, y'all, when it's ready. Old school cream cheese lemon pound cake. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Cake is just out the oven. It took actually an hour and 10 minutes, just like the recipe said. Hour and 10 minutes, y'all. And I'm gonna let this sit in the pan here for about 10, 15 minutes. Then I'm gonna serve it. I'm gonna glaze this thing. I'm gonna glaze it with this side up. I got a little glaze here, which I'm gonna do later on. And I'm gonna just glaze it with all that good glaze. Go right in the middle of those cracks and crevices. And all this here, people say, oh, you don't tell the glaze recipe. All this is, y'all, powdered sugar and milk. That's it. You put a little powdered sugar in there, put a little milk till to get the consistency you want. That's all the glaze is, y'all. It's not rocket science, yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna step out, let this cool. I'm gonna flip it out. Like I said, I'm gonna serve it this time with the cracks and crevices up, while all that glaze can go inside there. And we'll go from there. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Look at this here, y'all. Got that thick glaze on there. Y'all get close up. A pillowy, you can just tell this is so pillowy soft, y'all. I can tell when I cut it, that's gonna be moist, but you see how it stood up really nicely. Like I said, no leavening agent in it, meaning there's no baking powder, baking soda. It's all rise by the whipping of the butter and the cream cheese. So anyway, y'all, let's go in here, y'all. Oh my God. Look at this here, y'all. Let me go to the other side where y'all can see the inside of it. See that thick glaze on there? All right, y'all, going in. Wow. You can tell it's moist. Look at this, y'all. And how pillowy that cake is. You know it's moist. Look at it. Have to float away. Look at that. A moist test there. Look at that. Look at this, y'all. That cake is so moist. wow. All I can say is, it's wow. It tastes almost as good as the one I get from Amazing Cakes. You know, the cake mix? It's similar to that. This is homemade right here, y'all. Definitely homemade. I ain't gonna eat this whole cake because I gotta eat my dinner first. That's gonna be my dessert tonight. So, Friday night cake of the week, cream cheese lemon pound cake. You see how easy that is to put together. And this definitely one I'm gonna use for the holidays. This is a keeper for the holiday. Thanksgiving, this definitely gonna be the one I make for Thanksgiving. So, a good holiday dessert. Christmas, Thanksgiving, this is perfect put on your recipe repertoire. So anyway, let me close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2023. Just show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.